Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download file from Google Drive on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Google Drive applications and now just choose the file that you want to download. For example, I'm gonna download this file, and here you just have to tap on this three dots icon. Now just scroll it down until we find here the download option. Just tap on it, and there are information here guys. It will be a notification for the details. Here I'm gonna open it, and as you can see, this is for the Google Drive file is downloaded, so you just have to open it to see it. And yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.